So I want to show you now how to buy simply and safely an ENS with a ZenGo wallet. So first, what is an ENS? An ENS stands for Ethereum Name Service. You can see that on the left side on the screen. This is my computer, and on the right, this is actually a reflection of my phone right here, where I have the ZenGo wallet. So Ethereum Name Service, what is it? It's basically a replacement, human readable replacement for your wallet address, right? So as you can see on my ZenGo wallet address, I have like a 0x52C. This is the address that you have to use if you want to send a transaction, Ethereum transaction, or a token transaction, or even an NFT. But you can actually replace that with an ENS. What's an ENS? It's a very, very simple domain name, like a .com, but in that case, it's going to be .eth that replaces your wallet address with something that you can easily memorize and avoid making mistakes and avoid getting phished and things like that. So, for example, a cool ENS would be the best wallet. Right, the best wallet would replace. It's actually taken by us. The best wallet.eth. Right, we've bought this ENS, and you can see it actually replaces my 0x52 addresses. It's exactly, as you can see, the same address on the left and on the right. And so now, instead of sending to that address, I can send just to that ENS, and it's very, very easy to remember, right? So I'm going back here, and I want to show you how you can automatically, very simply and automatically associate an ENS to your wallet address by buying one. Okay, so on the right, I have here my phone. On the left, I have my computer. That would work also on the phone directly if you want to do it directly on the phone, but for the purpose of the demonstration, I'm going to use the computer. So we're going to buy a new ENS, something that we don't own yet. I'm going to show you how it works. So we're going to buy the Cool wallet. Let's see if it's available. Cool. Right, so the Thecoolwallet.eth is available. Right, so I can buy that ENS, and if I go here, you can see I can buy it for 1 year. Actually, let's go and buy it for 10 years. And we have the price here. And that's it. There are just 3 steps of ENS to complete the purchase of this ENS. A request to register, wait 1 minute for the process to get completed, and complete the registration. So, how do we get started? As usually with a Web3 app, you have to connect an app with the wallet, right? And so here, there's no need to have a particular extension. It works on any browser, on your computer, on Fox, on Firefox, on Safari, on Chrome. You just need to have your ZenGo wallet, and we're going to connect the ZenGo wallet to that website. So as you can see here, there's a connect button here. Okay, and it provides a bunch of options to connect your wallet. I'm going to use Wallet Connect. Okay, you can see this small blue W here. You will recognize it from that blue W here. So I'm going to connect here, and just for the purpose of demonstration, if you swipe on the right, you will also see the ENS and the recommended apps to connect to. All right, so I'm going to scan that and connect my ZenGo wallet, or log in with my ZenGo wallet to the ENS app. So now I've logged in and I'm ready to start the process. So now I have to just request to register. You can see this small button here. Press it, and I will receive on the right on my ZenGo wallet a request to approve that connection. So I'm approving it. I have to look at my wallet because it's using Face ID. It's going to happen in a few seconds. And that's it. The transaction is confirmed. The process has initially has already been initiated. The first step of that process, as you can see, it's there's a progress bar. I'm, by the way, identified as the best wallet.eth. It was an ENS we already bought, but now we're going to have a second ENS associated to our wallet. All right, so this is happening. We have to wait. It's going to happen very soon. And the very cool thing after that is that instead of using the wallet address, we'll be able to just give this name, ENS name to someone, and we'll be able to send it to me without risking any mistake or any error. So it's about to happen. I'm about to finish the transaction. Very, very quick. So as you know, already specified with other apps, the advantage here with ZenGo is that there is no private keys, no seed phrase, and no complication to set up your wallet, but also no risks that someone comes and steals this very important login system, right? So there's no element of risk connecting the ZenGo wallet to the ENS app compared to other wallets where there is always a seed phrase or private key. Okay, step 2 is completed. Now we're going to complete the registration with the third step. Okay, and so this is the cost that was presented at the very beginning, and I'm going to buy it now. Network fees are actually pretty expensive, but since I want to do the demo, I'm still going to do it. So let's go and buy it. So an ENS is in a way a sort of NFT, right? It's a sort of NFT, which function is to replace the wallet address of your wallet. And that NFT actually can be seen on any NFT marketplace like OpenSea. And it can be transferred and can be sold to other people. So very soon it will be completed. As you can see, here there is a little TX pending. TX usually stands for transaction. It's a technical abbreviation. They could have used a more friendly name. So this is being actually right now operated in the background. And that's it. We've just purchased Thecoolwallet.eth as my ZenGo wallet ENS, right? So how do I know now that I actually own that ENS? So if I go to Etherscan, which is an explorer, and I write here the Thecoolwallet.eth, you can see here it will show exactly the same address, and so it has matched my wallet with that ENS. So that's really, really cool. That's it. That's how easy it is to use ZenGo to buy an ENS and to use it instead of a complex wallet address. And from now, everyone will send to that wallet address, will actually send to my ZenGo wallet. So super easy, super safe, no cable, no extension, and a great step forward in usability of cryptocurrencies. Welcome to the future.